My goal and my vision is to make Rhode Island the center of ocean policy and research in the nation, and the Endeavor is an important part of that.
The Endeavor provides the state of Rhode Island and the University of Rhode Island with a vehicle to do cutting-edge research in marine sciences in general and in oceanography and in aquaculture and a whole variety of areas.
We need to get out there and work with our colleagues in international waters and participate in international collaborations and experiments.
It's really a phenomenal ship that offers great opportunities for research and science and economic opportunity for Rhode Island.
Owned by the National Science Foundation and operated by the University of Rhode Island, the 185-foot research vessel RV Endeavor has been aiding scientists and researchers from Rhode Island and around the world for almost 30 years.
The culture on the Endeavor is one of just absolute service to the scientists. They understand the mission. They realize it's critically important to get the data that they need, and they're a very key part in doing that, and they're just fantastic.
This crew has been together for a long time, and they understand what it means to go out and do the science. They understand how important the science is to the scientists, and they really give their all to make sure that the cruise comes off successfully.
Endeavor is integral to helping the scientists achieve their goals. With a maximum range of 7,000 miles, the Endeavor averages 230 to 240 days at sea per year, traveling to do research in such far-removed places as Bermuda, the Azores, and the Mediterranean.
You know, we are the ocean state, little Rhode, and as that vessel moves around the world, there's no question that it is a great ambassador for us. It's a great story about our role in ocean research and ocean policy, exploration, all the things we're trying to build on. So I think it's wonderful to have the Endeavor going from country to country and carrying the flag of Rhode Island.
The Endeavor and the scientists and faculty members that are a part of that carry out a mission that's important to all of the world in terms of protecting the environment, protecting the ocean, protecting our coastlines. And so when it's out there doing that work, people associate the university itself with the good work that it does.
The Rhode Island Endeavor program is known not only throughout Rhode Island but throughout the world, and when people see the work that it's doing, whether it's through our scientists or world renown, it really does promote the state and the university throughout the entire global education community, but the marine sciences community. That's very important to us, and quite frankly, it's very unique to see such a instrument of a university and a vessel going out and doing that type of thing and promoting our university in that way. So again, this offers a great opportunity for research in science and economic development, but it's really a great tool for the university to show what we're doing in that area.
And it reminds me of who Rhode Island is and the extraordinary opportunity we have to show the world of our commitment to improving this planet and share the knowledge and develop a whole host of economic growth and education opportunities for our people.
The Endeavor provides opportunities for young people all over Rhode Island, not just at the university, to be a part of science, to get introduced to a very exciting science early and to motivate them to enter those fields of study.
I think spending time at sea is definitely helpful. It gives you a lot of experience as far as being on a cruise and finding how these samples are collected. And I think it's also helpful for, if you go on to have a career in research, to be able to know just the practical elements of being at sea as far as timing, how long things take, and what kind of effort goes into the different parts of the research.
There's so much stuff that goes on these cruises that are important research topics, and I think that showing people what it's like on one of these cruises would hopefully spark some interest in supporting this type of work.
The opportunity for a science teacher to do something like this is wonderful, and I would encourage any other science teachers to try to pursue opportunities like this, whether it's in oceanography or any kind of active research in a laboratory-based, or in any other subspecialty of science. It's just critical to to get out there and do things. And for one, I think it communicates to your students how committed you are to science and understanding things. And two, bringing that back into the classroom and sharing that with your students, I think gives them a broader appreciation for science and how it's really put in action outside of textbooks and classroom work.
I want to see us have the best resources that we can, because it's a very important piece of the puzzle, if you will, as we build ourselves into what I think is a deserving reputation as a center of excellence nationally, really, in ocean policy and research.
When it's sailing out, whether it's in Rhode Island waters or Narragansett Bay or in far waters halfway around the globe, Rhode Island's there. And Rhode Island is trying to find out more about this planet so it'll be healthy.